So, we're here at Shoe Healer in Doncaster, and Paul is on his holidays, so I've had to step up and come round this side and do a few repairs. So, first one we've got here, these have been brought in, a pair of trickers, old trickers. We know they're old trickers because they are unlined. They just have a little bit of a lining at the back and the rest of the shoe is unlined. Trickers changed that in the 80s, I believe, the mid-80s. They went to a full leather lined shoe, which is what we want really, a nice full leather lining inside. No canvas, no linen or anything like that. We want a full nice leather lining inside our shoes, and that's what trickers do. This is a lovely old pair of trickers, like I say, probably from the 80s, and they've had a few crappy repairs. Look at this. Look, one of them is stitched, the other sole isn't stitched for some reason. Matching heels and everything. So what did they do? Did they forget to stitch that shoe? Look at the stitching on top. So it's had quite a few repairs. The old stitching's in there. It's never been removed. Of course, we will remove all that, rake it all out, tidy up those welts, and we will do a full repair, new heel stacks, and sort those out, and they will be lovely. And if they're not, we won't do a video of them. But they should be. They should be. Right, that's the shoes there. Let's go around the side. We've got some sales stuff. I've got to do my sales bit now because we are a shoe shop that sells shoes as well as repairs them. First up, beautiful pair of Barkers. Look at those colours. That's a little bit of pride there, isn't it? Size 11 and size 8. Size 11, big fitting. Size 8, big fitting. So this is a Barker Seb, size 43 F fitting. What a gorgeous trainer that is, really nice. Little bit of an emblem there, Speeducks on the top, just fabulous. Fully leather lined. What trainer do you buy that's fully leather lined? This from Barker is gorgeous. Size 9, was £205, down to £120. Just one pair of them left in a size 9. We have some deck shoes here from Chatham, but this is all summer stuff. All of this is summer stuff. The summer's come to an end. I hope you've noticed. We're done now. Summer's gone. Be snowing next week. All this summer stuff coming to an end. Beautiful deck shoes. These are the deck shoes here. Moccasin constructions, lovely fitting. £125, down to £63. These are the sizes: 8, 8.5 and a 10, a 6, 6.5 and a 7, 8, 9, 9.5 and a 10. So there's plenty of sizes here. There's a Bailey, a lovely old Bailey in blue. Look at that, lovely shoe. Just been kicking around a little bit. It's looking for a new home. It's gorgeous, that big fitting shoe, size 8 on the Bailey. Was 340, down to 275. We might be able to do a little bit better than that. And of course, the compressor has to kick in just when I'm going through that. So here, even better still, we have a beautiful Joseph Cheaney. Look at that gorgeous shoe there. What a fabulous shoe. Toe cap shoe. It's reduced from £460. Wow, £460, lot of money. Full price on this Joseph Cheaney, but it's fabulous. It's one of the best. It's a proper English handmade shoe, and it really is English handmade. Full leather heel stack, gorgeous shoe, fabulous colour, size 8, and it's just been worn. It's been tried on. It's been in the shop a while, been kicking about, a few scuff marks on the sole, but really it's absolutely gorgeous, that, and it's a bargain. £275. It cost me half that to fill my car up. That's filling my car up with fuel twice. Here we've got the Mansfield from Barker, lovely leather sole, size 7, size 10, fabulous colour, really is lovely. This £360, down to £199, and again, few scuff marks on it. It's just been in the shop, been tried on a few times. Two different colours there, size 11 and a size 7 and a size 10. Barker Bourton, size 9 G fitting, size 9, great size, quite generous, lovely boot, full leather sole. Was £340. This one again has been tried on in the shop a few times, and it's down at £199. Look at that, what a gorgeous boot. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Probably would benefit with a cover sole on there. Protect your leather sole. Your leather sole's the chassis of the shoe. You've heard me say that 1,000 times. So down here, some slippers. Slippers, a nice size 8 pair of slippers. £70, and I think £70 was the old price on these Glastonbury slippers. This is the last one, 35 quid. Bargain. Another pair of lovely Barkers. This is the Anthony. My name, Anthony. 7.5 FX. So it's quite generous. 7.5. Lovely looking shoe. Down from 315 to 240. I think that we can do better than that. We can do better. We can try a little bit harder than that. So another deck shoe from Chatham, last pair, 40 quid, size 7 for a deck shoe. And a Dean suede, lovely, lovely suede, lovely beetle crusher type sole on there. Oh, we love those soles. Fabulous shoe for size 10 G fitting. So again, generous fitting. Another one here, Station, lovely looking shoe. Day night sole, full retail 325 down to 195, and it's 8.5. Lovely. But for some reason, this shoe has sat about. Imagine that on with this colour trouser. How nice would that look? Full day night sole, the proper day night sole, and fully leather lined. £195, size 8. That is a gorgeous shoe, but for some reason it just hasn't done well for us in Doncaster. And then we've got the Hampstead, size 11, again in suede, size 11, G-fit, generous shoe in the suede, lovely looking shoe, just been tried on, might have a few little marks on it. If we haven't got anything here for you, we'll find something upstairs and put a mark on it and then put it here for you so we can look after you. So there's a few others here that I haven't gone through. We'll do a little video of bits and bobs and everything we've got, and we'll put that online for you.